Over the past week, a flurry of announcements has left experts and enthusiasts alike stunned. And it's not just the usual suspects that have been making waves, we're talking about some of the biggest names in tech, alongside relatively new players. Let's start with the most recent news from Google-owned DeepMind. They've made public their latest breakthrough, an AI model capable of mastering a notoriously complex game, poker. Dubbed Agent 57, this AI was tested against human opponents, and it emerged victorious more often than not. But what's truly remarkable is that Agent 57 uses a novel approach to learning, one that sidesteps traditional reinforcement learning techniques in favor of something called multi-objective optimization. This method allows the model to adapt faster and learn from its mistakes at an exponential rate. Meanwhile, Amazon Web Services, AWS, has been making strides with its own AI offerings. Last week, they announced a significant upgrade to their SageMaker platform, one that's set to revolutionize the way developers build, train, and deploy machine learning models. What's more, AWS claims this new iteration can speed up model training by as much as 10 times over previous versions. But it's not all about big tech players, startups are also making a splash in the world of AI. A company called Cerebras Systems has unveiled its latest processor, WSE2, designed specifically for large-scale AI workloads. This behemoth of a chip boasts an impressive 80% increase in processing power over its predecessor, and at a fraction of the cost. Experts predict it will be a game-changer for industries ranging from healthcare to finance. Lastly, Microsoft made headlines with their partnership announcement with OpenAI. The two tech giants are joining forces to develop more sophisticated AI models that can perform complex tasks like translation and text generation. With this collaboration come significant implications for how we interact with machines. The future of language processing has just become a whole lot brighter. The past 7 days have been a whirlwind for the world of artificial intelligence. If you've been following the latest developments, you know that AI is no longer just a topic of discussion in tech circles, but a reality that's starting to shape our daily lives. Just last Wednesday, Meta announced its new large language model, Llama 2. This AI has been trained on a massive dataset of over 13 billion parameters, making it one of the largest and most advanced models in existence. What's even more impressive is that Llama 2 can process natural language at speeds of up to 700 million tokens per second. But Meta isn't the only player in this game. Google has been working on its own AI model, dubbed Gemini, which was announced just a day after Llama 2. According to reports, Gemini has already surpassed human performance in several tasks, including answering questions and generating text. And then there's Microsoft, which revealed that it had achieved a major breakthrough in natural language processing with its Turing NLG model. This AI is capable of understanding nuances of language that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. But what really caught our attention was the announcement by OpenAI that its latest model, DALL-E 2, could generate images at an unprecedented level of detail and realism. We're talking about images that are not only photorealistic but also exhibit a sense of style and composition that's similar to human art. These announcements have sent shockwaves through the AI community, leaving many wondering what this means for the future of work, creativity, and even human existence itself. As we delve deeper into these developments, one thing is clear: the pace of innovation in AI is accelerating at an alarming rate. Researchers at Meta announced the development of a new AI model capable of generating realistic images from text prompts. Dubbed DALL-E 2, it's an upgraded version of the original DALL-E, which was launched last June. The new model boasts improved performance and stability, with users reporting better image quality and reduced artifacts. Meanwhile, Google revealed its latest advancements in natural language processing, NLP, through a series of research papers published on AR14. The papers describe a novel approach to generating human-like conversations using a combination of transformer-based architectures and attention mechanisms. Notably, the researchers claim their model can engage in coherent discussions on topics ranging from politics to entertainment. In related news, OpenAI made waves with its announcement of a new AI-powered chatbot designed for customer service applications. Dubbed ChatDB, the system leverages advanced NLP capabilities to understand user queries and respond accordingly. What's more, ChatDB is reportedly capable of learning from feedback, allowing it to adapt to specific business requirements. The tech world was also abuzz with news of a breakthrough in audio processing through AI-powered signal separation techniques. Researchers at MIT demonstrated an algorithm that can isolate individual voices within complex audio recordings, even when multiple speakers are present. This innovation has significant implications for fields such as music production and surveillance analysis. Interestingly, Microsoft's AI research arm announced the launch of a new platform designed to facilitate collaboration between human experts and AI systems. Dubbed AI Studio, it enables researchers to build, train, and deploy custom AI models using a user-friendly interface. As part of its initial release, Microsoft has made available pre-trained models for various applications, including image classification and natural language processing. The rapid advancements in these areas are a testament to the accelerating pace of AI innovation. With new breakthroughs emerging every week, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a revolution that will forever change the way we interact with technology. As we delve deeper into the AI announcements that shook the industry over the past week, it's essential to consider their real-world implications. The rapid advancements in AI have led to concerns about job displacement, data security, and accountability. But what happens when these technologies are pushed to their limits? Let's take a closer look at some of the most surprising developments. Google's announcement that its AI model, LaMDA, has achieved human-like conversation capabilities sent shockwaves through the tech community. While LaMDA is still in its experimental stages, its ability to engage in natural-sounding conversations raises questions about the blurring lines between humans and machines. As we've seen with previous AI breakthroughs, such as IBM's Watson, it's not just about the technology itself but also how it's used. The integration of AI into various industries is happening at an alarming rate. In the healthcare sector, for instance, AI-powered diagnostic tools are being developed to detect diseases more accurately and earlier than ever before. This has significant implications for patient outcomes and resource allocation. But what happens when these tools become ubiquitous? Will we lose the human touch in medicine? The recent surge in AI-generated content also warrants closer examination. With companies like Prisma and Deep Dream Generator leading the charge, the line between reality and fantasy is becoming increasingly blurred. This raises concerns about misinformation, propaganda, and the manipulation of public opinion. We must acknowledge that the benefits of AI are undeniable, but we can't ignore its risks either. As AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it's crucial that policymakers, businesses, and individuals work together to ensure a responsible integration of these technologies into our lives. The next few years will be pivotal in shaping the future of AI. Let's make sure we get it right. Meta's AI Research Lab revealed a major breakthrough in natural language processing with the development of Llama, an AI model capable of generating human-like text responses. This innovation has significant implications for applications such as customer service chatbots and content generation tools. Researchers at Google announced a new approach to building more efficient neural networks. Their technique uses a process called quantization to reduce the size of these complex models while preserving their performance. This could lead to increased adoption of AI in mobile devices, where storage space is limited. In a separate development, researchers from the University of California, Berkeley, made headlines with the creation of an AI system that can generate 3D models of objects from text descriptions alone. The model, dubbed Text-to Model, uses a combination of natural language processing and computer vision techniques to produce photorealistic reconstructions. The intersection of AI and healthcare took center stage as IBM unveiled its new explainable AI platform for medical professionals. This tool enables clinicians to better understand the decision-making processes behind AI-powered diagnoses, improving patient care outcomes. Microsoft's AI research team revealed that they've made significant strides in developing an AI model capable of predicting protein structures from sequenced data alone. The breakthrough, published in a peer-reviewed journal, has far-reaching implications for the field of structural biology and could lead to new treatments for diseases such as Alzheimer's. The pace of innovation is indeed breathtaking, with multiple organizations pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible just 7 days ago. We'll continue to explore these developments further and examine their potential applications in the world of AI research. As we conclude our analysis of the past week's AI announcements, it's clear that the pace of innovation is accelerating at an incredible rate. In just 7 days, we've seen breakthroughs in areas such as language processing, computer vision, and even